All right, well, don't say anything you don't want everybody to know about. You're on camera now. Let's see. All right, let's see. Are you ready for takeoff? Yeah. I am too. Let's go flying. Given the wind direction, we'll take off straight ahead. Good way to go. Here we go, starting to get light, lifting off the ground. All right, coming over some power lines here. We'll make a sharp turn and come over the top of these guys. I just try not to fly over those houses. They don't like that so much. We'll level out and fly right here. Now it's a windy day, so it'll be bumpy. It won't be like you would find in an airplane, but it's definitely, you know, when you're in the mountains and the wind's blowing, you'll feel it because of the way the terrain shapes the wind. It just makes it kind of swirl around on these mountains. These are some zip lines, so got those. That's a different way to fly, I guess. A lot of people like that. All right, well, we're picking up some speed here, coming through about 100 miles per hour on the ground speed. We had a fire come through here last June 11th is when this burned through. It was started by a person, we don't know why or how, and we don't know who did it, but it started right over that hill, burned this way, burned down 3,000 acres of trees and 50 buildings at the park. Kind of a problem for all of us up here because of the park being gone, but they're rebuilding. I'll show you that here. As we get closer to this big crack in the ground, you'll notice a little more bumps. It's just, you'll see why. It's pretty incredible. Did you guys drive out here yet?
No,
okay. This is the Royal Gorge. The gorge is actually one of the United States' most famous landmarks. And, seen millions of people throughout the years. Look at that view.
What river is that?
That's the Arkansas River. That is the old border of Mexico, actually, before the Rio Grande. It starts up in Leadville, so the headwaters are come off those big mountains there, and it goes to Oklahoma and into Arkansas. You can see this is where the fire breached the canyon, came across right there. This was the highest suspension bridge in the world. It's built by some Texans. You know how Texans are, they like big stuff. That's all it is, it's a big bridge. It's not any other purpose. There's Pikes Peak right there.
That's it?
Yep. They have some snow.
Yeah.
Another cool place to go up to is Cripple Creek, but it's a casino town. I don't know if you like casinos. There's my house. Believe it? No.
Nice place.
Yeah, it's actually a rental home. If you ever have about 30 people and you want to pack a place, that's a pretty cheap way to go. It's $900 a night, but not too bad for 30.
Oh, not for 30.
That's owned by the zipline guys. Well, there's Colorado's smallest runway, so let's prepare for landing. What goes up must come down, they say, even with helicopters. You like Mexican food?
Sometimes.
Okay. Salida has a pretty good spot for that. There's Colorado's smallest runway. This is a certified airport.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Earth. Did we do good?
Good.
How about in the
Body
back?
passed out.
All right, well, it was good meeting you. Thanks for flying with me. Good to meet you. Make sure you go forward.